Why to go with those shady grey hat tactics to get reviews for your newly launched products on Amazon, when Amazon has a very beautiful program called Wine Program to help you exactly for this purpose. This is called Wine Program, where you can get 30 wine reviews from customers who are real users to your product. You will find people in the market who will try to make a deal. They will say that, hey, we will get you 10 reviews, and for that we'll generate 50 orders for your item. You need to give away 50 items, and on top of that you need to pay some extra money. A lot of upfront payment involved, and on top of that a lot of risk is involved, because Amazon algorithm is very smart. Here and there it is going to find it out and going to get you back. Imagine you spend so much time and efforts and money to get this listing live, to get this Amazon business running, and after some time when you finally start seeing some results, Amazon gives you a strike and even ban your account just because of this stupidity. Yes, I say it, stupidity. Okay, so now let's talk about Wine Reviews, Wine Program. I'm going to share my screen and show you how exactly this thing works. Okay, so I have opened one of my client's account, and now I'm going to advertising and then Wine. Once you click on Wine, it is going to send you on the Wine dashboard. Here you can simply paste the S in. You want to start Wine and then click begin enrollment. For now, I'm going to start enrollment for this item. Amazon is recommending, if you see, Amazon is recommending to do enrollment to enroll this product under Wine Program. Once you click on this one, you will see 1 and 2 reviews we can get without spending a penny, because this is free. Then 3 to 10 reviews we need to give $75 to Amazon as a fee. 11 to $30 for 11 to 30 reviews we need to pay 200 USD. Here we need to pay how many reviews we want to go with. For 2, there is no charge. I highly recommend to go with 30. It is totally worth it. Once you put your amount of units you want to go with, and then click on enroll. Once you click on this enrollment button, your enrollment will be successfully done, and Amazon will start sending your product to those real users. One thing here, obviously you need to give away all these to 10 or 30, whatever number you choose, but again I'll say it is totally worth it. Okay, apart from these wine reviews, once you have all 30 reviews, there's another thing you can do. You simply need to go on your order page and open any order. Let me go back, which was okay, this page might be hidden, so for that I need to maintain privacy for my clients. Okay, so just open any order and you will see request a review. You see, now from here you can send, okay, for this one we are not eligible. You can check other on this one we should be eligible. Request a review. Once you see this one, see, are you sure you want to request a review for this order? Simply need to click on yes. Once you click on yes, Amazon will send a review request to the shopper. So this is another way you can request for reviews from your real shopper, verified shoppers, and you can increase number of reviews on your listing. So these are some ways you can get reviews on your newly launched items while being 110% compliant to Amazon policies.